Did you know you can now showcase your Pictory expertise directly on LinkedIn?
Pictory is collaborating with LinkedIn to help professionals highlight the AI video creation skills they use every day. You can showcase capabilities developed through real work and real video projects. When you connect Pictory to LinkedIn, your profile can reflect how you actually use the platform, whether that's creating video scripts, turning PowerPoint presentations into training videos, repurposing blog content, and editing recordings, helping you demonstrate practical AI video creation expertise to employers, clients, and colleagues.
And for the first time, when you add your Pictory capabilities to LinkedIn, you'll receive 500 free Pictory credits added to your account. That's a one-time bonus available to eligible users, so be sure to take advantage of it while it's available.
And that's it, your Pictory expertise now on LinkedIn.